Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see what apps you downloaded from Android Google Play Store on your Android phone. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Google Play Store. Then once the Google Play Store opens up, select your little profile icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, select this Manage Apps and Devices, and from here you have to tap on this Manage in the top menu. Now you see a list of all the apps that are currently installed on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. If you want to see the apps that you have installed in the past, simply select this Install drop down and you can see this option Not Installed. Just tap on it and these are the apps that you have installed in the past but are currently not installed. To install all of these, simply select the check like this and then select the little download icon in the top right next to a trash can and then select install. So that's how you can see what apps you have downloaded from Android Google Play Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.